students. In today we will read chapter 11 from our moral book. Today's chapter is yoga, the fun way. So in this chapter we will discuss about the types of yoga and the benefit of yoga. How do yoga keep us healthy? So children, when we are young, we jump, hop and skip, cycle, move from one side to another frequently and quite easily. It is really a fun way to keep our body active, flexible and healthy. But as the time passes, we grow older. We have a lot of tasks to perform. To perform all these tasks, we need a strong body and healthy mind. So how can we do so? The one and only way is yoga. By the yoga, we can keep our body fit and healthy. Yoga is a way of life. It not only makes us physically fit but also mentally active and alert. It makes our body flexible. We can perform all duties comfortably. So we get more strength. It also enhances our confidence and concentration. We feel energetic and enthusiastic. So yoga is a very important for us in numerous ways. We must adopt it in our daily routine and make it a part of our life. So before doing yoga, what should we do before doing yoga? Some instructions are given. So do yoga early in the morning. We should do yoga early in the morning. Do not do yoga only when your stomach is empty. Before yoga, you should not eat anything. We should do yoga in empty stomach. So take a proper bath before doing yoga. Yoga should be done in a clean and airy places. Wear a loose clean and comfortable dress. Do yoga on the floor, spreading a mat, dari, etc. So do yoga in a calm place. Take liquid at least 1 hour before doing yoga. So these are the before doing yoga. Be happy while doing yoga. Keep your body static. Now, so these were the benefits. So always remember. What should we remember? Following this must be kept in mind while doing yoga. Pay proper attention to your body. Avoid jerks. Slow and smooth movement is desirable. There must be a suitable match between breath and the movement. Do each asana for 10 to 15 seconds. 3 rounds of each asana are desirable. Close your eyes and relax. Adopt yoga in your routine. Do it daily for 30 to 45 minutes. Every day we should do yoga at least 30 to 45 minutes. Different postures of yoga. This one. First one. This is Parigrahasana. What is the method of this yoga? Kneel down on the mat. Spread your legs. This leg will spread. Keep your body static. Now touch your left leg with your left hand. Touch your left leg with your left hand. Take your right hand in the north direction. Keep your hand straight. Take a deep breath. Now do it from other side too. Do it from other side too. This is Parigrahasana. What is the benefit of this asana? It gives energy to the body. It also gives strength to the stomach and lungs. Next one. This is Padhasthasana. So what is the method of this yoga? Exhale and bend forward. Exhale and bend forward. Like this you will bend. Okay, keep your palm on the floor under your feet. Keep your palm on the floor under your feet. Keep your legs straight. Touch the forehead to the knees. Touch your forehead to the knees. If possible, if it is possible, you can touch your forehead with to the knees. So this is an exhale and raise yourself gradually. Okay, this is the Padhasthasana. What is the benefit of this asana? It improves the digestive system. This asana improves the digestive system. So it gives relief from breathing problem. This asana gives us relief from breathing problem. Next one is Makarasana. This is Makarasana. So, what is the method of Makarasana? Lie on your stomach and spread your hand, folding your hands up and keep your chin on your palm. Keep your chin on your palm. Keeping your chin on your palm and touch your cheeks with them and touch your cheeks with them. Spread your feet and keep the distance of 1 foot between the legs. Loosen your body. This is Makarasana. What is the benefit of this yoga? It massages the intestine. It is helpful in making the backbone flexible. It helps in making the backbone flexible. Next one is Santulasana. This is Santulasana. So what is the method of this asana? Lie on the floor on your stomach. Lie on the floor on your stomach like this, okay? But this is the Santulasana. So lie on the floor on your stomach, raise your hip and keep your legs straight. Move your shoulder forwards and arm straight. Keep your arm straight. Move your shoulder forwards and arm straight. Lower your hip and such a way that the legs and body are in a straight line. Keep your body like this, that your legs and body are in a straight line. During the asana, breathe normally. What is the benefit of this asana? It helps in maintaining the balance of the body. It enhances the concentration also. So today we have discussed about Bhujangasana, Santulasana, Makarasana, Parigrahasana and Padhasthasana. And in the next video we will discuss about the Bhujangasana, Pavanmuktasana, Padmasana and Hasyasana. Okay, so you practice these yoga at your home.